So we have checked into the Plaza. We are in a newly renovated room. We are in room 1603. All right, so we've shown you room reviews of these renovated rooms here at the Plaza before, but we're briefly going to go over this one because we've never stayed in 1A with a king bed. We've always had rooms with 2 queen beds, and above the queen beds they have like awesome little print work with a pop of color. This one has this like headboard I don't believe we've ever had, and if we've had, I never noticed. I'd have to go back and check the footage. But it's a king size bed. We have the 2 nightstands on either side with some modern lamps. It does have an area rug, and it does have laminated flooring. In this room, the desk is over here against the wall, and in previous rooms it used to be closer to the window and we didn't have an adjoining door. So it's slightly different. They still do have the long mirrors so you can check yourself before you wreck yourself. They do have a nice little print on this side above the desk area. They have your cafe valet, your coffee maker, your ice bucket. They have a smaller TV, but for me it's perfect size, especially since we're not even in the room and we're only here for one night, so that's probably not going to get turned on today. They do have a refrigerator, and it is empty with 2 complimentary bottles of water. Nice. And they're the 50th anniversary complimentary bottles of water. You have a closet, a tall little closet. It's narrow, but it's tall enough for ladies to hang your dresses, men to hang your suits. You do have an iron board and a little shoe cubby or storage cubby to store stuff, and you also have a shelf on top. And if you're like us, you're here one night, there's no need to unpack. You do have your luggage rack there. As our last stay in the newly renovated room, it does have the barn door leading into the bathroom. And the bathroom is very clean. There's plenty of counter space, even though there's only 1 sink. You still have plenty of room to store some stuff on there. You have some cubbies down at the bottom, some extra towels, and a blow dryer down at the bottom of this shelf. They do provide you with some spa essentials. Got your magnified mirror there, and you have a safe. It's one of those very thin, narrow ones, but a safe is a safe. You just need to stash cash and jewelry. You do have a towel rack here, which is nice. It's one of my things. Some hotels never have enough towel holders or towel racks, but this one has 2, so that's nice. You got your shower, your toilet. And what I like about these rooms, again guys, I mentioned it before, is that the handle to turn on the water is right here. You don't have to reach deep into there, but the shower head is still on that side. And it's kind of like very European style with the glass just on one side, but they did provide a curtain, so that's pretty nice. alongside the nightstands here at the Plaza on either side of the bed, there are some outlets, 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, and both nightstands have the exact same thing. As mentioned, same thing for the other nightstand. So very, very convenient. You can plug in your phone chargers and not worry about it. There are outlets on the floor down here, but they are being used for the lamp, I'm assuming, and the coffee maker. But there are outlets here on the desk. So you have 2 USB ports, 2 outlets. So that's pretty cool. Come over here, you have 2 more outlets down here at the bottom. So if you need to plug stuff in, they've got you covered there. So they do have Alexa, okay? Oh, she just heard me. And it is your clock radio as well. Well, I don't know if it's a radio. It's a clock, and it's Alexa. So anyway, that's pretty cool. What do you think? Oh.
It's nice. It's clean, it's fresh.
Yeah.
We're downtown where we love to be.
Mm-hmm.
And I like it.
Yeah, I love these rooms. Because, yeah, we've always pretty much never had any issues with them. They're spacious enough for us. They do their job. They're a bit modern now. Refreshed.
Good job, Plaza.
Good job, Plaza. Now call Jonathan Jostle so that we can play a game of
Pickleball. Out the window.
Oh, right. Oh, I forgot the most important thing. Okay.
We've got the view of the pickleball court.
We have view of Jonathan playing pickleball. But, you know, it's not, excuse, the fan just kicked on if you hear that noise. It's not the view of Fremont, but Fremont's covered by a canopy anyway. You know, but you don't see, like, you know, the other buildings like Circa or whatever. And that we're fine because we've had that view. We've had it several times. We're cool with it.
Anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna be out and about in the thick of it, if you will. But we do have a nice mountain view, and I do appreciate a good mountain view. And along with that, we do have a view of the train tracks. But hey, that's history. This is where Vegas got its start. Right here. Those very same train tracks, people. Let us know if you've ever stayed in a renovated room here at the Plaza, or if you prefer a basic deluxe room, which we've stayed in before. We have a video on that. And we had a comfortable stay in that one too. It was a large room, and that bed was super, super comfortable and clean. So let us know.